Good evening, everyone. Before we delve into the specific of our topic, I like to set the stage by briefly discussing the information age. This era, characterized by the rapid shift from traditional industry to an economy primarily based on information and technology, has profoundly reshaped our world. We'll explore how this transformation impacts our daily lives and the key trends defining this digital revolution. Our topic for today is all about the formation age, understanding the processes and significance. Presenter Labuayan, Buyaw, and Kultura. So, what is the formation age? The formation age is a period of significant development and creation. It is applies to various fields, geology, cosmology, biology, and etc. It is focuses on the processes that lead to the creation of structures, systems, and life. The geological formation, it is the Earth formed approximately 4.54 billion years ago. The key processes, the accretion, differentiation, volcanic activity. And it is information for continents, oceans, and the atmosphere.
Biological formation. Biological formation focuses on how life began and developed. Life is believed to have originated from abiogenesis, where simple organic molecules gradually organized into more complex form, eventually forming the first living cells. Through millions of years, life evolved into various organisms through evolutionary process such as a natural selection and genetic variation. Example of this is formation of the first cell, protocell. Simple molecules like amino acid combine and form membrane-bound structure. Over time, this structure developed the ability to reproduce, becoming the earliest form of cell. Cosmological formations refers to how the universe began and evolved. According to the Big Bang theory, the universe started as an extremely hot, dense point and expanded rapidly. Over billions of years, matter began to clump together due to gravity, forming galaxies, stars, planets, and other cosmic structure. Dark matter and dark energy also influence how the universe expanded and how galaxies form and move. Example of this is Milky Way galaxy. The Milky Way formed about 13.6 billion years ago, when gas and dust in the early universe were pulled together by gravity. Over time, it developed into the spiral galaxy we live today.
Significant and impact. Understanding the origin of the world and the universe. This highlights the formation age importance in providing insight into how everything came to be. Insight in natural processes and phenomena. Studying the formation age helps scientists understand the natural processes that have shaped and continue to shape the world. Application for the future research and exploration. The acknowledged from studying this period can guide future scientific endeavor. Challenges and mysteries. The exact mechanics of abiogenesis. Abiogenesis refers to the origin of life from non-living matter. Understanding how it occurred during formation age is a significant challenge. The role of the dark matter in galaxy formation. Dark matter's influence on the formation of galaxies is still not fully understood, making a key mystery in the context for the formation age. Prediction future geological event. By studying the geological event of the formation age, scientists hope to better predict future events such as earthquake and volcano eruption. Conclusion. The ongoing formation. Formation is not a one-time event, but a continuous process. This emphasizes that formation processes are still happening today. Our understanding is constantly evolving. This acknowledges that our knowledge of formation age always being updated and refined. Future research is essential. This underscores that need for continued investigation to deepen our comprehension of these complex processes. Conclusion. The ongoing formation. Formation is not a one-time event, but a continuous process. This emphasizes that formation processes are still happening today. Our understanding is constantly evolving. This acknowledges that our knowledge of formation age always being updated and refined. Future research is essential. This underscores that need for continued investigation to deepen our comprehension of these complex processes.